Hello guys, this is ethioptech. I'm going to in this video I will show you how you can calculate Fibonacci using the Python code. Let me start. Okay, let me enter the sequence. The sequence. Then, for example, enter equals to input enter method. Just to activate the sequence or the total sequence from the keyboard. Then at the first stage or at the first two stages, for example N1 and N2, we assign 0 and 1 defaults. 0 and 1. Then we will count the sequence. For example, count equals to initiality 0. Then if in term less than or equal to 0, if the sequence is less than or equal to 0, if the sequence is less than or equal to 0, then print the number. We will say like this. Else if it is equal to 1, in term is equal to 1, if in term is equal to 1, then I will sequence any term. The print Fibonnaci and method. Then else sorry to print what N1, then else you can write like this. Then while c less than equal to enter sequence, for example, sequence is equals to N1 plus N2. Then we will update the sequence. N1 equals to N2, updating this case. Then we are swapping N2 equals to sequence. Then finally we increase the count. C plus equals to 1. Then we can print the sequence like this. Complete the sequence like this. Okay, let me check. For example, This is equal to 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 space. Okay. What about the enter? It may be the amount. Yes. You can say like for example 10. There it is. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 30 plus 21, 34, and continue up to the last task. Up to the last task. So we can make it horizontal. And can display like this. 10. Can display. So this is all about just how to calculate or find the Fibonacci of a given sequence number. So till the next lesson, have a nice time.